In this episode, I will help you speak English using eBite simple sentences. These sentences are easy, useful, and real. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will repeat ideas. I want you to listen, pause, and speak with me. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Today is about practice. Real practice. We will speak real English, not grammar rules, not big words, not tests. Just simple, clear sentences. Sentences you can use every day. Sentences to help you feel more confident when you speak. This is your speaking time. You can sit, stand, walk, or lie down. You can speak out loud, or you can speak in your head. But please speak. That is the most important part. So let's begin with something very simple. Just repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Ariel. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I live in a small city. It is a quiet place. I like my city. Do you like your city? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Now let's try a few more. I wake up at chi. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I go to work. I go to school. I study English. I read a book. I write in my notebook. I listen to English. I speak slowly. I make mistakes. But it's okay. I keep going. I try again. I don't stop. I feel good. I feel strong. I believe in myself. Do you see? These are short sentences. Easy words, but they are powerful. These sentences help you build your English muscle. The more you use them, the stronger your English becomes. So let's keep going. Let's learn more sentences. I work in an office. I work on my computer. I write emails. I talk to my coworkers. I take a break. I eat lunch. I drink water. I feel tired. I feel busy. Egg. I feel happy. Then I go home. I take a rest. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV. I listen to music. I check my phone. I send a message. I call my friend. I make dinner. I eat with my family. I talk to my mother. I talk to my brother. I help clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I brush my teeth again. I get ready for bed. I feel sleepy. I close my eyes. I sleep at Jew. This is my day. This is my life. These are my EBET sentences. Of course, we are not finished yet, but you can already see how many things you can say in simple English, and you can say them right now. Just repeat them with me. You don't need to wait. You don't need to study more grammar first. Just listen, repeat, and speak. This is the way, the natural way, the easy way, the fun way. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to speak. One sentence today, one more sentence tomorrow, and step by step, you will become stronger, faster, and more confident in English. Let's try some question sentences now. Where do you live? What do you do? What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What time do you go to work? What do you do at work? Who do you talk to? What do you do after work? What time do you eat dinner? What do you watch on TV? What time do you go to sleep? These are all questions you can answer with simple words. And when you answer, you build your English. Let me show you. Question: what do you do? Answer: I am a student, or I am a teacher, or I am a driver, or I work in a shop. See? Very easy. Question: what do you eat for breakfast? Answer: I eat bread and eggs. I drink tea, or I eat fruit. I like apples. Simple, short, clear. You don't need long answers. You just need real answers. Let's do more. Question: what time do you go to sleep? What time do you go to sleep? Answer: I go to sleep at Jew. Sometimes Jew. All good answers. You can say what is true for you. That is how you make English yours. Now let's practice full sentences about your day. I wake up at Lou. I open the window. Yeah. I look outside. I see the sky. I take a deep breath. I feel calm. I feel ready. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I feel fresh. I go to the kitchen. I make tea. I drink slowly. I sit in silence. I think about my day. I plan my work. I write a list. I get ready. I put on my clothes. I take my bag. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I listen to English. I smile. I feel good. I arrive at work. I greet my coworkers. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I start my work. I check my email. I reply to messages. I take a short break. I stretch my arms. I drink some water. I return to work. I finish my tasks. I feel proud. I go home. I walk slowly. I look at the sky again. I feel thankful. I make dinner. I eat with my family. We talk. We laugh. We enjoy the food. After dinner, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I go to my room. I sit down. I open my English book. I read a few pages. I learn new words. I say them out loud. I smile again. I feel better. I close the book. I brush my teeth. I lie down. I close my eyes. I say thank you. I go to sleep. That is my full day, and that is over eByte simple sentences. Can you do it too? Yes, you can. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to use big words. You just need to begin. One word, one sentence, one voice, your voice. The more you speak, the more natural it feels.